Here's Dad.
Hi,
Calming Jake down with the boing.
Boing.
Let's get a better shot of what this boing really is doing. Let's see the boing. Can you believe he used to do that to you, Jake? Can you believe it? What does Jake think about the boing? What does Jake think about the boing?
Boing.
Does he like it? Is he gonna throw up? I think he likes it.
He likes it, he likes it.
And the turtle tongue.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, look at Daddy and son. Look at them. That's how small Jake is.
He appreciates your friendship more than anything in the world, and
Aww. I can't.